Hey everybody, welcome to kitafit.com. How are you? We are going to get an amazing workout today. We're going to use tons of different modalities. We're going to be using just the shallow end of the pool, but this is meant for your 7th to 8th week in hip rehabilitation. I've had a total hip replacement about 7, almost right in the middle between 7 and 8 weeks, so it's been an amazing recovery. I saw Dr. Dixon here in Tucson, so if you're in Tucson, go see Dr. Dixon. He's amazing. I also did my rehab at St. Joe, that's here locally too, in Aqua and also in just regular therapy. I do functional orthopedic corrective exercise, so I'm so excited to be able to gear this workout just for you. If you are an athlete, this is my passion. I'm super passionate about getting athletes back and turning them in a functional environment. So here we go. Let's get started. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Okay, guys. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and get started by just walking. Hey guys, welcome. So the first thing that you always want to do is you want to start with walking. So what we're going to do is just walk. Boom, boom, boom. Hands on hips. Just feel that gait pattern. Whew, it's chilly. Nice and controlled. And start to pick it up. Start to pick it up. Push. Reach. Push. Heel, ball, toe. And we're going to go frontwards and backwards. Heel, ball, toe. Slow it down. Seems very easy, but you want to start out with this very slow, just to make sure your body is just understanding these mechanics. Heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Beautiful. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use the dumbbells today. And you can use a really nice light air foam. We're going to start with bicep curls. Now we're going to start with chest press. Now we're going to do a different one today. We're going to pull back and push. Now we're going to do them double. Back to biceps, down and up. You can lift those knees up so you're utilizing core. So you're almost like in a hip position with your feet up, down. I like to mix it up. Now we're going to do a tricep. You're going to bring those elbows up and push back. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little break off that, and we're going to use this tubing, green tubing. We're going to turn it so that it's a figure 8, okay? And we're going to put one foot on the bottom of the figure 8, and then the other figure 8 is going to be around the leg. We're just going to take it out to the side. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's so bright. You know, it's a little too hard for me today. I'm not quite ready to use that yet. So, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go with the green because I went for a nice long walk with my dogs this morning. It's probably just a little bit too strong yet. So we're gonna do hands on hips, just ABD, in and out. You're just taking that leg straight out to the side. Just focus. Change to the other side. For some reason I feel a little tired today, so I'm probably overtraining a little bit. So you want to really listen to your body. When she feels tired like that, you don't want to over push too much. Do 4 more. 3. That's the first time I've used dumbbells since my surgery. Okay? Now I'm going to step out to the side and do those monster steps. These are lateral monster steps. So you're stepping forward, coming together, stepping back, coming together. Again, if your body says it's too much, always listen to your body. One more set. I gotta go train a client right now, so I'm trying to get this in quick. Okay, very, very, very nice. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep those on my legs, and I'm gonna do some strokes patterns, and then I'm gonna go from strokes to I'll probably do my floaties. But I want to do my all my stroke work. So I'm gonna do the standing, but I'm doing this with the rubber band down below. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna go for 1 minute. Here we go. Keep those legs pressing out. Wow, I'm getting tired. I'm gonna stop because my body says no more. It was about 25 seconds shy. That's okay. Just go to your fatigue. Okay, now I'm going to do butterfly. Good. Remember, that tube is still underneath on my little blade. Do about 4 more. Beautiful. We take that tube out because the legs are tired. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some balance work here on my board. I'm going to push it forward and back in that squat position. Start slow. Shake on the side. Very nice. Okay. From that, I'm going to do some wood chops. I'm going to go heavy on this. Just 4 pounds, not that heavy. I'm going to do weights.